Alright guys, so we are going to spray that basketball pole because we're going to be winterizing it. This is a TremClad rust paint. It's gloss black. It's ultimate rust protection. There is a fast nozzle here, so it sprays out not through a hole, rather through like an elongated vertical thing. See? So it does it much faster. Now in ours, it'd probably be better if it wasn't, but it's okay. So we're going to take that, put it on the ground, spray paint it, and then we're going to cement it into place. Make sure you're outside or wearing some sort of a respirator on here. It sprays up to 10 inches wide. I probably want to do 2 or 3 coats. Let's get to it. And we're also not really worrying about cleaning this, although you probably should. So we're not going to worry about it. There's also a sticker here. Probably want to take this off, but it's okay. You see how nicely it covers everything? So here we are, a year later pretty much, and I'll show you how well it held up. So no rust whatsoever. These are just concrete blotches because you can see that we've obviously finished off the basketball court. There's a little bits of rust appearing at the very bottom here, so we would just spread that again, but overall everything is intact and absolutely no rust at all at the very top. There was already rust at the bottom here, so just remember I never sanded it. So yeah, it's definitely held up. Not only did I actually do this last year, but I also had this Halloween statue, and he's all aluminum, very similar as that inside. And there's the base, and I sprayed that entire base, and there's been water. You can see there's even water right now because we just put this roof in, but it still leaks a little bit, so water keeps coming down. Absolutely no rust whatsoever. Everything's still intact and working, and I didn't have to disassemble this guy. He looks pretty cool. Anyway, so TremClad definitely works. Ear in, no rust. So that's the video.